Hi, this is David with EminiTradingStrategies.com. This is our weekly video update for April 26th through April 30th, 2010. Wow, what a week day trading. We had 5 one and done days, so every single day this week we had a one and done trade. Really great week. I know a lot of you guys follow my weekly update, and on average we see 1 to 2, sometimes 3 one and dones, and every now and then we get a really nice time where we'll get one and dones all week long. Okay, so I'm going to show you those. I also want to talk about the standard NSE versus the NSE coming out of no zone. As I discussed in a lot of my videos, we have a standard NSE and we have a no zone, which is this little back coloring here, where we don't take NSEs because the probability of those trades are reduced, so we don't want to be in the trades. It doesn't mean that the lower probability trades can't win, because they could win, just like a higher probability trade could lose, but we still got to follow the rules and base our trades off of the system rules. Okay, so Monday we've had 3 or 4 NSEs coming out of no zone that were all straight winners, and one of them was our one and done. So here's our no zone short trade, beautiful winner, one and done. Couple examples. I'll go quick because I got a few charts I want to show you. I got 4 just on Monday. The next no zone opportunity, right? First NSE, nice winner. Another one here, right? Here's your no zone. Now this is Pro Indicator version 2, so that shows you visually when we're avoiding the NSEs, so it shows you the no zones. It also shows you the entries, and of course I teach you the rules if you don't want to have Pro Indicator, or if you don't use NinjaTrader or something like that. That's fine. In any event, here's the no zone. We come out of no zone, another NSE winner, and here's the 4th no zone. And this is why, by the way, no zone exists. These are just reference points for the software, but these would have been long. This would have been a long trade. This would have been a short trade. See, these would have been losing trades. So the probability of these trades have been reduced, so we don't take them. So that's why it's called no zone. But once no zone is over, they get really strong. Okay, that's why we call those higher probability trades. So Monday, great day. Tuesday, we had a standard NSE. Well, what is a standard NSE? A standard NSE is just a basic normal system entry. It's not coming out of no zone, so it's not as high probability as the no zone NSE, but still a great NSE. So it's still nice one and done trade right here, but I do want to note the NSE coming out of no zone. Here's no zone for 3 or 4 bars. Another NSE winner right there. And of course, we wouldn't take this. I'm just illustrating this because we had so many, and I'm going to try to catch a few live on video this week or the next week, and try to do a video series of just NSEs out of no zones, and then maybe do some pullbacks. I know you guys like the videos, so I'm going to try to get some more live videos going. Been really busy with some students and a lot of other things I've been working on, so I haven't had a lot of time to do a lot of videos, but I'm going to start getting on that hopefully this week. So Tuesday, a nice one and done. Wednesday, we had a great pullback trade. Okay, notice again, no zone, first NSE out of no zone, winner. Okay, great trading when you're trading the higher probability trades. I have a lot of students that only trade NSEs out of no zones. You know, there's pros and cons to that. You know, what are the pros and cons? Well, pros are you're only taking higher probability trades, but the cons are, one of them is you may take a losing NSE out of no zone. There's no guarantee it's going to win, and you may miss like a good trade, like a pullback trade here, that's a nice winner, and you miss that trade, and then you wait around 20 minutes or so, then you take a loser, you know, we're all done, now you got to recover. But still, with that said, a lot of traders will trade most of the day, just wait for the no zones and take the trades out of no zone. And I'm okay with that, but there are pros and cons of trading that way. Just wanted to point that out as well. Wednesday, here is the second no zone. First trade out of there, nice winner. Thursday, another standard NSE. It's not coming out of no zone, just a normal system entry. First one of the day, one and done. And by the way, these are pullback entries to the long side. This is a winning pullback trade here. And then finally Friday, this is kind of a funny day. Well, a funny chart here. I'm going to talk about this. Here's the pullback trade, and pullback is always in the last direction of the last NSE, so it's short. This was the entry, and this was the exit. Okay. Well, this long NSC, let's say you didn't take the short pullback trade. Maybe you walked in light and you took the long NSC and you see the short NSC here. Well, this NSC does not make this NSC a loser. Okay, we have different rules that tell us to reverse, to flatten out. Okay, and those rules did not happen yet. So this trade, this long NSC, was actually a winner. So really, the short pullback trade was a winner. The long NSC trade was a winner. And the short NSC trade was a loser. So either way, you would have had a one and done. Whether you took the short pullback trade, it won down here, or if you took the long NSC, you maybe thought you were getting close to getting stopped out, but you never had what I call a chop signal, and it bounced right back up and became a winner. So good day on Friday too. So really, that's what it's all about, guys. Learning a system that teaches you the rules, and having the discipline to follow the rules. I talk about that in all my videos. The discipline to follow the rules, the confidence in yourself, the confidence in the system you trade. That's what makes a successful trader. Okay, so in any event, make sure you get with us. Al, my sales guy, my cousin, he's got a great promo going on. So it's, market volatility has really increased. The Goldman Sachs thing, everything is really bringing a lot of volatility to the market. We're getting a lot more one and dones. We're getting a lot more action. It's a great time to start learning how to trade. Great time to start learning my system. So if you're interested, get with us. We'll be around over the weekend. We're always around, and we got a pretty good promo going on. So enjoy the weekend, and we'll see you next week.